Yeah, nation people. Right now, I know the whole of you must see the big song where Vybz Kartel and Shawn Storm drop. Stimulus. How you doing? Good? Good evening. Alright, good. Yeah, nation people. Right now, I think I'm supposed to do a reaction video about the song. You know what I mean? Because the video compliment the song wicked. Vybz Kartel and Shawn Storm compliment each other wicked on the song. I don't like Gaza Nation. The song terrible. There's what I say, and the video execute properly. How you doing? 7A? Yes. Give me a second. Yeah, nation people, you know, I multitask. You know the thing already.
Hello.
Hi, good evening. You have visitor?
Yes, great. You can come upstairs. Thank you.
You're welcome. Yeah, Gaza Nation, now give me sorry about that. You don't know up on the job me there, but you know me have to still lick up a video because you know my thing already. You know me, a man I go ride and whistle. No joke shit not dead about it. We can multitask. Yeah man. You see what I deal with? But right about now, back to the song Stimulus. Take it up. Yeah, a big bad song. I know the girl them love it. You see what I say? Alright, we got big up Aiko Dan for the big bad hardcore rhythm. You hear that? Right now, I can't believe. Aiko Dan how much you old? Now look at you, you know. Right now, the man has shot like a mash burn pump rifle with a triple and double explosion. No joke shit not dead about it. I saw Aiko Dan a shot.
So they do this second one?
Yeah.
Oh, alright.
You know what I mean? I saw the look of you with a shot, my brother. Enough people not even recognize what them see really are going in front of them eyes, you know, in terms of greatness, you know, my brother. The man two brother them, see? A bad artist. We don't have to ask no question about that. And Aiko Dan himself I build some top class rhythm. And him a look at you. You can imagine when he mature in this shit, yeah. I look for that youth there, you know, get international sign, you know. You see what I say? Anytime. How you doing? Good? Alright, brother, good. Good, my friend. Yeah. Yeah, alright. Alright, my brother. Me too. Alright. Yeah. Yeah, man. No joke thing, no dead about it. Yeah, man. No gimmicks thing, no dead about it, nation people. Right now, you can just imagine when Aiko Dan mature properly into this producing business and building a big business. An international sign me I look for. No joke shit, no dead about it. You see what I say? Yep. You know what I mean? Take it up. All of the young producers, them Vybz Kartel, send them a road, man, and them get international sign to, man. No joke shit no dead about it, man. I don't remember Shawn. I want me to know. I don't remember Steve McGregor. I want me to know. All of them producers that hear me, I call them name, you know. Sign, you know, to international thing, you know. No joke shit no dead about it. So I don't know, sir. All of that in the making for Aiko Dan. First thing the youth too young. You know what I mean? And I'm confident to build from too young. So look from this one, I'm mature certain way. You know, now can't stop him, my brother. No joke shit not dead about it. A first class way I represent because cigars are thing, but you see what I deal with? Here we are going know people of the world, it's not a plan. So what you are going to know carefully. A franchise, the chosen one, the 10-star general. I don't know what go already. When I come to represent, full effective man. I don't know what go when I load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Hey, I don't know a loud explosion but yeah. Watch me man, are the people's champion. Oh you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Watch me. Are the most electrifying man on YouTube. International business. What? Your nation people. You know we not easier high grade with smoker with a bun BD. Alright now, you know. Just try remember me I tell you this, you know. You see, chipping into this new month coming. Vybz Kartel have a tear up the place. You see what I say? How you doing? Good? Yeah. Good. Alright. Yeah, take it up. Your nation people, you know what I mean? Next month, the place on a living fire to the amount of song where the general have line up. I remember so the general and Sandstorm have a next thing coming out to me, you know, wicked, you know. You see what I say? Because yo, I been home, I never home, and I can't wait till look more. You see what I say? Because it's a reaction video made it one drop. Because the video for the song too bad, my brother. Stimulus, yeah. The video too bad. I should have really do a reaction video to it. You see what I say? And I don't know gimmicks thing about it. You know what I mean? Yeah, no laughing thing not there about it. You see what I say? A man like me supposed to do reaction on them video. I'm too real to the shit. If you not do no reaction video about it. You see what I say? I might think them are effortlessly. I don't have to kill off myself or effortlessly. I don't have to do a turn on my camera, you know what I mean, and kick off the video and make you see what I go on and just shell it the way how me deal with things. You see what I say? Yeah, man. The song Big Gaza Nation. You see what I deal with? No joke shit not dead about it. And the video bad like yes. The video can't bad no more. You see what I say? I love how the girl them execute. You see what I say? And I love how Shelly Belly I deal with the thing. Right now, you know, the video itself, you know. You see to the way the video nice? To the way the video nice? I'm not gonna lie, you know, I'm not be biased now, I'm not be trying to be contrary or nothing like that. But to the video nice Gaza Nation, I never want it done too quick to me. I don't joke shit because the video come like it's a look a mini movie and it come like you get excited and I look for more. I don't know if I true the girl them in it, you know, dash out and I go on wicked. I don't know what about something about the video, my brother. It make it come like it too short, come like you want to see more. You know what I mean? And them thing there with hardcore dancehall song. Other type of influence and power they bring, my brother. No joke shit not there about it. It generate a type of power there and influence. You see what I say? I love it and I love it bad no bomber ass cloud. I remember in nation people say Shawn not a teacher, not in the video, you know. The man them not in the video, you know, my brother. Look how the video execute. You know what I mean? Oh, chop. Oh, fuck, man. Come on, man, nation people. Music, the song and the blood clot video shot. You see what I say? Yeah, all of who not really see the shit yet for whatever reason and them shit. They make sure you go over Vybz Kartel thing in the man. Go shell it in the man. You see what I say? I don't know nation people not really to watch YouTube views because if you turn on your thing on streaming and you look on Vybz Kartel numbers them on streaming, you will find out say well then they're not the same with regular artists. You know you look, you're gonna see it. You know what I mean? And I make up nothing, you know, but just I tell you how it is. If you look on streaming and look how Vybz Kartel thing them, I deal with streaming, it's not the same. Like how you'd click on some artist thing. A total different thing. Vybz Kartel thing in a different class, a different category. You see what I say? No joke shit not dead about it. You know a real way I want to represent. No gimmicks not dead about it. But me I tell you, I can't even exaggerate on the song and the video no more. The way I not hear me I represent. The video and the song, yo, sick. I think it need medication. We are mix every liquor, no segregation. Yeah man, no joke shit not dead about it. We are mix white rum, grey goose with Appleton. You see what I say? Yeah man. No joke shit not there in my game, and I know how I represent already. So Gaza way, there ain't no other way. You know what I mean? I know I say a 10-star the general I represent. As I tell you now, multitask, me a multitask, because I know I'm there on the job. And here I go on. If me did home, I would have dropped a reaction video, but true me know say, a whole heap of thing in the pipeline for drop. And it's not too late for me drop a reaction video neither. So it all depends on how I feel when time I get home like Jerome, or tomorrow when time I first up. You know what I mean? You hear me I say it's all about how I feel about it, because I strongly believe say the song and the video is supposed to get a reaction video. It's too tough, my brother. You hear me I say? Yeah, man. No gimmicks thing no dead about it, Gaza Nation. So well done Shawn Storm, well done Vybz Kartel, well done Aiko Dan, and an hour time now Gaza Nation for represent on the song and the video. So make sure so no go over there, go put a thumbs up and a comment. No gimmicks business no dead about it. We don't know a 10-star represent already. Gaza way there ain't no other way. And you see what I say once again. Big up Shawn Storm, big up Vybz Kartel, and big up the producer, Aiko Dan. You see what I say? Right now, I say it from early, I not wait till it happen. I look for Aiko Dan sign to some big record label. Look from this because him have it. I don't look him I look feet. Him have it. Him natural. Actually, fracturally, and naturally. Now, gimmicks thing not dead about it. You see what I say? You guys are nation. But next month coming, you know, a whole heap of things line up. And you know, so we are going to kick in some boy draws in them ass. Because a whole heap of them, you see on YouTube, a draws them away. Them a chat up their mouth and a chat this and a chat that. Especially this look one when him CV we can't do no video without him call Vybz Kartel, without him put Vybz Kartel in him headline. I'm topic. You see what I say? Yeah, because him claim what day, yeah. Him think Vybz Kartel, and Vybz Kartel bring in the most slackest thing in a dancehall. The slackest thing in a dancehall, a body wash. No dancehall artist from dancehall bust out from in the 70s until now are the first artist that you ever hear do a song like that, my brother. That's a total disgrace to dancehall. So, me no know where him want chat say. Me no know where him think him a do. And me no know if him feel like when him talk that, you know what I mean, a real shit him a chat say. You don't got to talk for make your artist look good. Remember, he was the same one, you know, when the artist do the song, you know, him come out and him say, we'll never review no song for the artist, you know. Him even go as far as do song against the artist, see that same topic there. But no, him same one you hear chat up him mouth. That's why you hear me label them as jockstrap sniffer. And you see what I say? And look from this, I go kick in them jaws in them ass. No joke shit no dead about it, Gaza Nation. You see what I say? Yeah, look from this. Nobody think say, well then, you got chat shit. And when I chat shit, people are talk about you fight against artists and you fight them. No, I'm not fight against nobody. I just got to tell you the truth. And if you don't like it, you don't know what to do. I kick in the jaws in the asses because you know some word. You know what I mean? We the people kicking draws in asses. We the people kicking draws in asses. Kicking draws in asses. Kicking draws in asses. Gaza Nation, I know the thing go already. A 10-star, the general I represent. What? Gaza way. Ain't no other way. Oh.